We're here at Carz R Us in Machesney Park, and we got one of our vehicles. This is a 2004 PT Cruiser, and we got a great sale on this vehicle right now. It's $2,800. All right, and we've done a lot of work to this. It's in great shape. We just put a brand new alternator on it, a belt. We've got rear shocks in it, front stabilizer links. We had it detailed. We got air filter. What else? Wiper blades. Got oil change. So this thing's in really good shape. Come around here. You got good space. Tires are in good shape. This has got the bigger trunk size we'll check out in a minute. This is a manual transmission, so we got a clutch in this one. We'll start her up here. Starts up great. Again, new battery in her, 162,000 miles on this. Got power everything, CD player. Good size in the rear. A lot of space in there. You can see interior's in really good shape. No big scratches or anything, no tears in any of the cloth. And good trunk space. These seats fold down, so you can use that. That lays all down. You got a big trunk area for space there. So come over, check it out, test drive it, make an offer, and make sure you can drive stick shift.
877-4277